Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to advertise your link from Temu to Facebook. So if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. So in order for you to advertise your link to Facebook, just simply tap on the search bar at the top and search here affiliate program. And from here, guys, once you are on the affiliate program page, just simply tap on the share at the middle down below. And from here, guys, as you can see right away, you should be able to see here the Facebook application. So just tap on the Facebook. And from here, just simply hold the description. And after that, just simply paste. And as you can see, you will have here your advertised link. And just simply tap on post on the top right. And from there, you'll be able to advertise our link. And as you can see, we have a $5 bonus for just simply sharing it. So make sure to sign up an affiliate using my link on the description. So now, just simply go to your Facebook app and go to your profile. And from here, as you can see, this is our post, and just simply tap on share. And from here, guys, just simply share it to your story over here on the bottom left corner of the screen to advertise it as well, and tap on share. And as you can see, it is now on our story. So now what you could try to do as well is just simply tap on share and just simply share it to a group. So just tap on feed over here down below to our name, and you should be able to see here in a group or on your page or profile. So let's say in a group, and from here, guys, just simply select the group that you have, and from there you'll be able to share it to your group. And from here, just simply paste the link as well on the description and tap on share now. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.